Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So today we'll be looking at removing of brackets. Removing of brackets. This is always a very simple case because we've already done removing clearing brackets in algebraic expression. So we use that idea, remove the bracket, and then most likely we collect items and then we get our solution. So let's see. Solution 2 brackets x minus 3 equal to 4. Please, if you don't really know how to remove brackets, you need to go back to our video on under algebraic expressions. We did a lot on clearing of brackets. You need to go back there and learn how to remove brackets. And then from there, you come back to the simple equation. So what are we to do here? What is multiplying this bracket is just 2. So remember 2 has to multiply everything. So this will give us 2 times x, that will be 2x, then plus times minus, minus 2 times 3 is 6, equal to 4. So take note, the 2 is not multiplying 4, the 2 is just to multiply what's inside the bracket. And that will give us, from here we'll do what? We'll collect like terms. So that will give us equality here. 2x will be on the left hand side, which is already there, and then equal to, we keep the numbers are coming to the right hand side, so we keep the number that was there first, which is 4, and then minus 6 crossing down will give us minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 will turn to plus 6, and that will give us 2x equal to 10. So we divide both sides by 2, and then our x equal to 5. Okay, so that's what we have as our answer. And then we move down to number 2, solution. This will give us 6 bracket 5 plus y minus 2 equal to 10. So what do we have here? This will be, what is multiplying the bracket is 6. So 6 times 5, 30. Then plus 6 times y, 6y, then minus 2. Take note, 6 is not multiplying 2 also. It's not multiplying 2. It's only multiplying what's inside the bracket, and that this will give us equal to 10. From there, we'll collect like terms. We have only one variable here, which is 6y. So we'll keep our 6y, and it's carrying plus here. So we'll keep our 6y. And then equals to, we'll take our numbers to the left hand side. We'll take all the numbers to the left hand side. So 10 is already on the, sorry, we'll take it to the right hand side, please. 10 is already there, so we write our 10 first, and then we'll see what we'll do. Then 10 minus 2 coming down here will turn to plus 2, and then plus 30 crossing down here will turn to minus 30. So what do we have? 6y equal to 10 plus 2, that will give us 12. So 12 minus 30, 12 minus 30, that would be equals to minus 18. Take note, minus 18. That's directed numbers. So we divide both sides by 6, and then our y will be equal to minus 3. Okay, move to number 3. Number 3, what do we have here? We have 12 minus 3 brackets y plus 12. This will be equal to 15. Now, what is multiplying these brackets? That's what we took time to talk about when we were dealing with removing brackets in algebraic expression. So what is multiplying this bracket is minus 3. Minus 3 is what is multiplying the bracket. So 12, take down our 12. Then minus 3 times y, that will give us minus 3y. Then minus 3 times plus 12, that will give us minus 36, equal to 15. So what do we have here? Now our variable is carrying minus. So minus 3y, we keep it on the left hand side. The sign is not going to change. Remember, we've not crossed it to the other side. It is still on the side that it was. So minus 3y equal to, now we are taking the numbers to the left hand side. So what was there should start 15. And then minus 36 crossing down will turn to plus 36, turn to plus 36. And then plus 12 here crossing down will turn to minus 12. So minus 3y will be equal to 15 plus 36. That will give us what? That will give us 51. 51 minus 12. What do we have? 51 minus 12 will give us 39. So that's equal to 39. So divide both sides by minus 3. That's the coefficient of the unknown. And then our y will be equal to plus divided by minus, minus, and then this will give us 13. So our y is equal to minus 13. And then we move down to number 4. What do we have? 3 brackets 2x minus 3 equal to 8 brackets 2 minus x. This will give us, now 3 is multiplying this bracket on the left hand side and 8 is multiplying the bracket on the right hand side. So 3 times 2x will give us 6x, plus times minus minus 3 times 3, 9. This is equal to 8 times 2, 16, plus times minus minus 8 times x, 8x. So this is equal to, we collect like terms. Let's keep our variables on the left hand side. So 6x is already there. Now minus 8x crossing down, that will give us plus 8x. And then we come here, 16 is already on the right hand side. So minus 9 crossing down, that will give us plus 9. 6x plus 8x, that will give us 14x equal to 16 plus 9, that will give us 25. And then we divide both sides by 14. Divide both sides by 14. So if we take this, x is equal to, what do we have? This is one whole number, one whole, one whole number, 11 all over 14. So that is what we have as our answer. Okay, so I think that brings us to the end of our uh, removing bracket in simple equation. Most times when you remove the bracket, it will take you to collecting like terms. Please, like I said, if you have any challenge in removing bracket, go back to the video we did on algebraic expression. Just check the series, you will see what we did on algebraic expression, and then you follow it carefully. Okay, we have our activity questions here, 20 questions. Please do very well to go through them one by one. Go through them one after the other, and then collect the like terms carefully. Remember the rules for collecting like terms. Thank you very much. This is case 4. So in our next class, we'll move to case 5. Thank you. Do well to like, to subscribe, and also share to others. See you in case 5. Thank you.